I'm going to answer the question of Harvey. May I know the position of ba, since ba is not in the same position all the time. Ba is always placed right after the pronoun with the exception of ka. Am I going to the party? Are you going to the party? Are they going to the party? What is go? Punta, right? How do we say punta in the future tense? It's an verb, we just repeat the first syllable, right? Am I going to the party? Pupunta ba ako sa party? So, ba is placed before the pronoun. Pupunta ba siya sa party? Is he or she going to the party? Will he or she go to the party? Pupunta ba kami? Are we exclusive going to the party? Pupunta ba tayo? Are we all, you and I, are we going to the party? Pupunta ba tayo sa party? And for you plural, are you guys going to the party? Pupunta ba kayo sa party? Are they going to the party? Will they go to the party? Pupunta ba sila sa party? We put ba before the pronoun. Ka is irregular. Ito lang yung pronoun na mayroong casual and formal. Because this is the only pronoun that has casual and formal form, right? Formal, ikaw. Casual, ka. We say, pupunta ka first before ba. Pupunta ka ba sa party? Pupunta ka ba sa party? But when we use ikaw, which is the formal, and with a verb to be I, it will have the same placement as the rest of the pronouns. But then again, we don't speak that way in casual. Alright, so again, pupunta ba ako? Ba siya? Ba kami? Ba tayo? Ba kayo? Ba sila? But then for ka, pupunta ka ba sa party? Try it with other verbs that you know. Kakain ka ba? Kakain ka ba ng balot? Or kumakain ka ba ng balot? Do you eat balot? Inom. Iinom ka ba ngayon? Or mamaya? Kasi holiday. Alright, so short Tagalog lesson for today. Happy 4th of July. I'll see you again on the next lesson. This is Dara, Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more.